Anyways. Oh, give me that. Today was a day of funness. Today I had to babysit 3 times in a row. 3! Ah! Anyways, look how dark it looks. At the inside of my mouth. Sorry. Sorry, I'm really hyper because I had cake. Look at the fire. Goop, 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 goop.
Yeah.
Oh, because it's too hot. I mean, too cold. You're hot. You're cold. Sorry. Have you ever had that to say to you? You're hot. You're cold. Anyways, you saw my face? Anyways, that looks really gross. Anyways, I gotta get to the subject. What is it? Oh, look at my guitar. My guitar. Listen. That's my skills. Yo. Anyways, I like to make weird noises. Oh, you want to hear my mating call? That's my mating call. Because me and my friend Issa at school do that. Hers is that's my mating call. Anyways, so today, after I babysitted for twice, I went to my friend's house. Shut up. Sorry, that's my sister. She's being dumb. Look at the camera, not the TV, you doofus. Douche nozzle. Just kidding. Now I'm doing it. Stop! Okay. Anyways. What was I gonna say? Oh yes. So after I babysitted twice today, I went to my friend's house and we were pretending we had, what was it called? Oh god. Tourette's. No offense to anybody who has Tourette's. I'm not making fun of you. Anyways, so I was like, hi, it's nice to meet you. And I was like, bleh! I was like, Anyways, that's what I was doing. Shut up. She's so annoying. Can't talk. Anyways, oh yeah. So then after that, we had so much fun. Then we had some ice cream. We had butterballs. So good. Anyways, not butterballs. Ew, gross. I mean peanut butter balls. God. Peanut butter balls. Peanut butter balls are the bomb. Yo. Skitty bob, boo bop, boo bop, doo bop, da boo boo, homies. Anyways, so sorry if I look ugly. I'm not wearing makeup. You see? I got the eyeball. Now I got the nose. That's gross. And I got a mouth. Anyways, so I was babysitting and I had so much fun and I went home and then I had cake because it was my sister's birthday. Happy birthday to you. That was beautiful singing anyways. So tomorrow is going to be an interesting day in the neighborhood. Because we're in the hood, yo. That's why we have so much white people in our neighborhood. Anyways, just kidding. No, there's actually a lot of white people in here. Guitar. But that's Twilight Zone music. Never mind. And yeah, so I thought it turned off my camera. So peace, yo, peace and blessings, peace and blessings. That's what Megan Bullock says, my best friend. Choking on my spit. Anyways, yeah. Okay, if you guys stayed for this video, I don't know if you guys stayed for the end of this video because it's the boringest video on the world, or in the world, or however you say it. So tell me what you did this Sunday if you even watch my videos. Please watch them.